Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix no SIM card detected on Motorola Edge 70 Pro. As you can see, I have no SIM found in my phone. Flip your phone over. The SIM slot is right here. Take something long and thin, push it into this hole to open the SIM slot. Take out the SIM card. Take a microfiber cloth and gently clean the SIM card without brushing too hard. I'll leave my phone here and test with another phone, the Motorola Edge 70 Plus. Take the case off. Open the SIM slot the same way with something long and thin. Even a needle will do. Take the SIM and put it in. Let's see if the SIM card works on this phone. Yes, because mobile data is enabled, I'll disable it. Take out the SIM card again by pushing. Push the empty slot inside the phone. Put the SIM card in the slot, brush it with microfiber to remove fingerprints. Put the SIM card inside and push the slot in. As you can see, it is working. A little brush helped. You can also go to Reset Options and reset Mobile Network Settings. You can also check System Updates and update your system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.